This is the road in front of my hotel Upar. So this is Sukhumvit 11. So 7-Eleven. So open 24/7. So this is the hotel Upar. So very good hotel. I think there are 40, 30 or 40 rooms. 3 floors, 4 floors, 40 rooms. So we have also lift. So this road goes to Nana BTS or Nana MR. So this is 7-Eleven. So I used to drink hot Thai tea every morning, like for 30 watt. So these are the 2 people from Myanmar who works in the hotel. So this is the hotel reception. So this is open 24/7. 3 people work in 3 shifts. So this is storage room for them. This is the common area. She is the receptionist. So these are the 2 toilets for them and also for residents. So this is the lift. So my room is 302. So I have stayed 4 nights here and I have paid like 8,000 rupees. It's not bad. I have booked via Make My Trip. So Make My Trip is always best. But this is not including breakfast. So it would be better if we take a room with breakfast, because morning, so not many restaurants are open. So to have breakfast, but we can have bread, jam, everything we can buy from 24/7. So there is 305, 304 and 305, 303 and 304 numbers. So there are 2 more rooms there. So it's 301 and 302. This is 309 and 308 and 309. So my room is this one, 302. So this is the room entrance. So these 2 beds actually, very good, very spacious. So this is the desk. So I used to work every day, like this bed, table, chair. So I am ready to go. So this is the toilet. Toilet is bit small in size, but it's fine. It serves the purpose. So we are not spending more than 30 minutes a day in the toilet, so it's fine. Okay. Now I came to know that I have to take this train and go to Siam, and again change the train to go to Nana. So this is BTS. So I have to change it, Siam.
Next station, Sapan Taxi. Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
I just got down at Siam. So now I have to take train to Nana. So from here, this is Siam Paragon BTS stop. So this is Siam Paragon Mall. So evening I want to come here to see the aquarium in the mall. So from here I have to take train to Nana. This is a BTS train, elevated. So that completes my journey from Icon Siam Mall to my hotel, like Nana, and then I have to walk to my hotel to Nana, from Nana. This is the train going to Keha. So this is opposite to Mochik, which I went to study preparation as well.
Sentence family while standing. Thank you.
So I am going to Mochit for weekend market, Chatuchak. So I have only 30 minutes time. So this will take another 10-15 minutes to go there. Now it is 5:30. Let me see if I can make it. So I was working on something, so couldn't get time. I have to catch this one to Kukahat to go to.
包。
This is Chatu Chak weekend market. So I got down at Mochit BTS station. So here is the weekend market. So it is only on available on Saturday and Sunday morning 10 to evening 6. So it is almost like 5 minutes to 6. So they might shut down now. So I'm just in time. It is very famous for clothes, for food, everything, for electronic items. I have seen this market several times in YouTube, like several videos. So and always wanted to visit. So today I am able to visit this. So nothing special, but it is a weekend, only open during weekend. It is very famous in Bangkok. If any music plays in the background, YouTube will block it as a copyright. So better move away from the music. So they are packing and going back. So we can see in the trucks. So it is packing. See all these trucks. So they are packing and going. So it's 6 o'clock now, almost 6 o'clock. So for them it is time to go home. So we can see they have dumped everything here and loading into the trucks. Another music. YouTube might block my video. Looks like this is another weekend market just adjacent to the Chatu Chak. This is Chatu Chak. So might be same or different, I don't know. Need to check. See, wherever I go, it's music. If there is any background music, YouTube will block this video. It's bad. I am not selling or I am not getting any royalty on this video. We can get every item and it is cheap. Bags, hats, t-shirts, pants, electronic items. So everything is cheap. Buy 4 for 100, buy 4 for 150. So all the sales. So there are several markets in Bangkok like this. There is one in close to Payoke. Full of clothes. this is inside. I mean under the roof. So those shops were out in outside area. So these shops are all shops are under inside the roof. So I think these might be not weekend. So even during weekdays they might available. See, there are hundreds of shops, so it will take whole day to visit all of them. So there is one more line here opposite to this. So the hundreds, might be thousands of shops, and all selling at reasonable price, very reasonable, affordable prices. So while coming, I came by BTS. So now I will try MRT. So MRT is underground, BTS is overground. So Siloam, I have to go to Siloam. I have to take a ticket to Siloam, and from there I have to change station. 1 or 2 stations by BTS. I want to go to Siam Paragon. I want to visit underwater aquarium. This we have I have bought a ticket. So it's now I have to board a train. I think looks like train just come. So I can't see my station. So I think I have to go that side. So train is just arriving. So I have to go to Silo. I think there are more than 10-15 stops for Silo. So the ticket is 45 bahts. Is not bad, very good for 15 stops. Train is just starting. We are MRT is underground, fully AC underground, so it will go fast compared to BTS. Very efficient. I got down at Siloam station. Now I have to go to Siam Paragon. So I bought a ticket for 25 bahts. So it is only 2-3 stops. So till now it was MRT. So now I have to use BTS, the Sky Train. So just I want to experience MRT. So that's why it was very long ride. It's almost double stations in MRT. It was roundabout. So now I have to go to Siam Paragon. Train is coming. So this I have to get down at Siam Paragon. So only 2-3 stops. 25 bahts is the ticket. This is BTS elevated train or Sky Train.
ผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบกรุณาเดินเข้าด้านในของขบวนรถไม่ยืนกีดขวางบริเวณประตูไม่ยืนพิงเสาและโปรดปรับห่วงราวหรือเสาขนาดนั้น
This is Siam Paragon Mall. So here I want to go to Sea Life Bangkok Ocean World. Basically underwater aquarium. So with so many fishes, jellyfishes, so several other things. So let me go and check how it looks. Siam Paragon Mall. This mall is one of the largest malls in Bangkok, Thailand. So in top 5. I I will eat some onion rings in Burger King. So feeling hungry. I always like Burger King. So I took king size onion rings. It is only 129 bahts because we get onion rings in Burger King. We don't get onion rings in any other place like McDonald's or anywhere. So onion rings are very really nice in India. Even India, Burger King has stopped serving onion rings. I don't know the reason. And we are one of the top producers of onions in the world. I've just checked out from my hotel and I am going to Bayok to have my South Indian breakfast. And from there, I take a cab to Makasan or Ratchapratop station. And from there, I can get a train, airport rail link train to airport. So which is fast and efficient. So and I can also save money. This is Ratchapratop station. So from here I have to take airport rail link, which is very fast and efficient. So it only takes 20 minutes to go to airport, 20. So I have to buy a ticket. So this is close to Bayok hotel, and in Bayok hotel we can find so many South Indian restaurants. So this is the best place to stay in Bangkok. So we can't miss, we don't miss Indian. So this staff is there, so I can buy a ticket. So here main plus point is staff is available most of the daytimes, so unlike European or US. So it is very handy to buy tickets. So this staff is there, so I can buy a ticket. So here main plus point is staff is available most of the daytimes, so unlike European or US. So it is very handy to buy tickets. This is Ratchapratop station, rail link. So this is the express rail link going to city, downtown. So one train is coming, so that is going to Suvarnabhumi airport. So very frequent. I have just missed one train and another train is coming. So very handy and it is very efficient. So in Bangkok traffic it is very difficult without these airport trains. The traffic is very huge in Bangkok. Always in the morning, even 8 o'clock, traffic jams. Train is approaching the back. Suvarnabhumi Express or airport rail link, city link. You can call it this. This is inside the train. So all are going to airport. I have just arrived from by train. I have arrived at airport. So the airport rail link. So my flight is at 11:30 to Singapore. So now it is like 10 o'clock. I have to rush. So I have to make it. So 11:30 is my train. But Thai Airlines flight to Singapore. So I can see 11:30. So yeah, 11:30. GF 6367 is row B. Check-in BD. So every information is here. I have only cabin baggage, so I already checked in. Online web check-in. So I am just took a printout. So from the self kiosk. This is a Thai Airlines H block where we have to check in for Thai Airlines. So this is the airport. So this international departures. So now I have to go upstairs and for security check and everything. So this is the Suvarnabhumi airport, one of the nicest airport in Asia and one of the busiest also. Very efficient. I can see my flight now, 11:30. So going to Singapore, TG413. Departure gate is bit odd, S112A. I don't know how it looks. So this is the main. You can see Kalia Madanam. Sorry. So this is the main attraction in Suvarnabhumi airport. So even we don't have this in India, but they want to keep their culture. They want to exhibit their culture and they want to show. See how beautiful it is. for gate S112 I have to take a train, shuttle train within the airport. So gates S101 to S128. So we have to take this train. So this is a, I think, new development. So it was not there earlier. S112 Singapore. Yeah, train inside the airport is very nice. They have built a satellite terminal like SAT1. So and they have moved like 30. They have developed 30 departure points in this terminal. So it's very efficient and train is very frequent inside the train. So yes, arrival passengers, they went from that side, and now departure passengers. Just arrived in the satellite 1 terminal, so I have to go to gate number 112 S112 is the gate where a Singapore flight will depart in next 1 hour. This terminal is very nice. So I have to go to left side. It is 112 S101 to 115. It takes up to 8 minutes on foot. So there are all duty-free shops, excellent duty-free shops, and this is another 116 S116 to 128 boarding gates. So yeah, so I have to walk for 8 minutes now. So better to start now. So I can see departures, direct information, everything here. Big elephants. Thai people, they like elephants, like Indians, Sri Lankans. So they give us a lot of respect to elephants. It is part of their religion, culture. It's also duty free. This is very nice. It's a new development. See the lounges. They are very spacious and very attractive, aesthetic. So this is airport security. So we can shoot here anywhere, no problem. So there are no restrictions when it comes to video recording or anything like that. So it's a Burger King, my favorite spot. I have ordered my favorite onion rings here. Large is 152. Sorry, king. So outside is 129. In the airport it is 152. So it's fine. So I can understand. Airport they have to pay a lot of rents and taxes. King size onion rings. So if I eat this, I can survive for next 3-4 years. Sorry, 3-4 hours without feeling hungry. So this is our flight, small flight. So I think Airbus A321. So to Singapore. So there are several flights to Singapore from Thailand. So many people visit because it is very cheap compared to Singapore. So I think that is the reason they have put small flights, because they are more in number. So our departure time is 11:30. So now it is 10:50. We have 40 minutes. They call me on Tenai to check my Singapore visa. So that was the first time like I have received a call on Tenai. This is Singapore flight CG413. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sorry. My seat number is 62K. This is 3940. So flight is looks like almost full. Just arrived in Singapore. Flight is almost 25 minutes late. So because there was a airport expansion. There is a airport expansion going on in Bangkok, so that's why it is delayed on the runway. But it's fine. Now it is only 3:30 p.m. So I can't check in before 3 p.m. So now I have to take MRT. First I have to take a SIM, Singapore local SIM. I have to take MRT and go to Ferrara station or Little India. Thank you. Kapun Kha. Thank you. The flight is very nice, but they couldn't give Indian vegetarian food. They said I have to book 48. I can book 48 hours in advance. Thank you.
See you next time.
Yeah, thank you. So, just landed in Singapore Shanghai Airport. So, going to immigration now. So, it's a big walk. All travelators, yeah. See, our people are always hurry, always busy. I don't know why she's running. So now I have to go to immigration. I have filled up Singapore arrival card on my mobile. So I took a PDF and I will show you immigration. I have done immigration. It is all automatic. So first I have to scan my passport. Then I have to put my my right thumb. Then it automatically validates. I have taken e-visa, but it automatically validated and it said welcome to Singapore. My name Raghu Chandan Rao. That's it. So there are people helping us, but it is fully automatic. So now I have to take MRT. I will take MRT for 4-5 days pass, and then I have to go to Little India or Ferrara station where my hotel is located. So this is a exit I have to take. So just I have to go right and I can get MRT, taxi, bus, everything. So this is the exit number. This is Terminal 2 actually. So this is the exit. So people are waiting for their so this is a exit I have to take. So just I have to go right and I can get MRT, taxi, bus, everything. So this is the exit number. This is Terminal 2 actually. So this is the exit. So people are waiting for their This is the world's #1 airport for several years, but recently taken over by Qatar Airport, Doha, Qatar Airport. So this is arrival gate, so which I came. So this is the arrival area. Now I have to go straight to city. Taxi. I have to take MRT. I will take a pass and go to MRT. So this you can see. So clear directions. That's why it ranked #1 airport in the world. So no need to ask anyone. Everything is written clearly. So I have to go right side. So Jewel, Jewel is it is a new development in Singapore airport. So I will check it later. It is very nice. There is a big fountain. Terminal 2. Arrived in Terminal 2. So and because Jewel is also in Terminal 2. So I have decided to visit Jewel before going to city. This is better because I am in the same terminal. So this is world-class development recently done by Singapore, maybe 3-4 years back. You can see Jewel and terminal train, airport train, T1 goes to T1 to T2, the terminal. So it's a very nice experience. This is a big fountain inside the airport. So we don't have anything like this in any other airport. Oh, you are from?
Yeah.
You're from which country?
China.
This is from one more level up on the level 3. So just we can spend here for hours together. by seeing this beautiful fountain and also so many trees. This is inside the building. It is like a big greenhouse. It is like a Gardens by Bay. So there is also train goes just beside this fountain. So that scene is very beautiful. The train between Terminal 1, 2, 3. This is awesome experience. This is called Jewel. So this is the bridge where we are standing, and we came in the lift. I came in this lift. So the lift goes up and down. So this automatic. So people are standing here like this and taking photos, videos, enjoying their time with watching Jewel. This Sky train, the airport train. This escalator, so this goes to MRT to train, MRT to city. So we can arrive also by lift, that escalator and this one, that lift and this escalator. So I have to buy pass for 5 days. The pass includes unlimited travel on MRT and bus. So it will be easier for me to travel in Singapore. So otherwise each time you have to buy a ticket. I have taken pass for this. It is $37. So it includes bus and MRT. So I have to go to the city. So I am at Changi.
Tanah Merah pindah.
So I have to. This goes to Tanah Merah. So from there I have to go to. I have to check and I have to go to Little India. So the train is here. So I have to go to Tanah Merah first, I think. From there I have to go to Little India or Ferrara. In Singapore. So I'm getting next stop and taking a blue line going to Little India. Next stop is I got down at Little India. So now I have to go to Ferrara Park. So where my ticket is I got down at Little India. So now I have to go to Ferrara Park. So where my ticket is I got down at Little India. So now I have to go to Ferrara Park. So where